Tonight on I Love Nature More Than You, let's have a little fun, shall we? Did you get around to taking that night walk that I told you to do? If you didn't, you need to, because right now, there's tons of noise out there. Tons of noise. Noise in the night, that is. Why don't you try imitating a few calls for me? Are you ready? Go outside. Have all your lights off. And do this. Do you know that a barred owl, some of you call barn owl, likes to say, "Who cooks for you?" Why don't you say, "Who cooks for you?" And see who's going to say anything back. But it kind of sounds like this. Oh, ho, oh, ho. Pretty good. Can you do that? Did anybody call back? Listen. Now's your chance to howl. Howl like a wolf. Howl like your life depended on it. Throw your head back and let out a long, slow howl. Oh! Did a dog respond? Did the coyotes join in? Last but not least, moo like a frog. Yeah, I said moo. Bullfrogs kind of make a moo. It's a deep, croaking noise that sounds kind of like a cow. Some people say it sounds like juggaroom, juggaroom. Can you make that noise like a bullfrog? Juggaroom, juggaroom. Or maybe it's like, yeah, I just did all those for you. Enjoy. Go outside. Turn the lights out. I love nature more than you. Prove me wrong. Give me your best barred owl, coyote, wolf, or bullfrog. Leave it in the comments. Happy hunting in the night.